With A1 coming up, we're going to go over the 250 West lineup. And these aren't all going to be in order because some of them I forgot which way. But we're just going to go down the list and talk about the West only because that's the one coming up. Obviously, with Honda, we know Joe Shimoda is going to be racing for the HRC on the West. Red Bull KTM has Julian Boehmer. Rockstar Energy Husqvarna, RJ Hampshire is going to be competing. And at any point, comment down below who you think is going to actually win because there's a lot of people on different teams this year. One of which being Levi Kitchen, moving over from Yamaha, now racing for Kawasaki, along with Maximus Voland, who's going to be racing for Kawasaki coming from KTM. We have the big ass Monster Energy Yamaha team with Nate Thrasher, Jordan Smith, and Nick Romano all racing the West. Uh, Onto the new signing for this year for Troy Lee Designs, Ryder DiFrancesco moving over from Kawasaki. Nothing from Triumph because they're waiting for the East, whatever. Club MX, we've got Garrett Marchbanks and Phil Nicoletti, which is a funny thing that like Phil is racing Garrett's old number and Garrett's racing somebody else's old number, and then the new kid is racing what's his name? Cody Shock is going to be racing Phil's old number. It's a funny thing there, but Firepower Honda, nothing from the East. Phoenix Honda Racing, nothing from the East. Team Solitaire Yamaha Racing, Robbie Wageman and Cole Thompson. West is having Talon Hawkins moving over, or AEO KTM is racing, or Talon Hawkins. Geez, let me start this again. Talon Hawkins is racing for AEO KTM, moving over from Husqvarna last year? Yeah, I think that's right. Moto Concept Honda with Mitchell Oldenburg. Bar X Suzuki has Max Miller and Anthony Bourdon. If you looked it up, it comes up with the chef, which is funny to me. AJE Gas has Joshua Vries. I think he raced a Yamaha last year, if I'm not mistaken. Somebody correct me if I am. And Partzilla PRMX Kawasaki is racing with Mitchell Harrison. And obviously there's going to be some guys that are missed out on this. These are just the supposed bigger teams. So obviously all the privateers aren't on this list. But like I said, comment down below. Tell me who you think is going to win. Who's got the best chance for you? Who do you think is going to perform well? And when we get closer to these, we'll do another one of these. So whatever, like I said, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.